To crossplay GTA 5 online PS5 and Xbox, you have to search it first on Google if it's possible to make sure that you will not experience any danger or confusion to your device. As you can see, you cannot crossplay GTA 5 online between PS5 and Xbox platforms because the game does not support crossplay or cross-platform play. However, you can just go ahead and search up the GTA 5 online website and see games there that you can crossplay on your end to make sure that you will avoid any damages or viruses that can encounter to your PS5 or Xbox device. As you can see on the GTA Online website, there are a lot of career programs or games that you can use. You can just go ahead and scroll down or swipe left and right to see what are the eligible games that you can crossplay from your PS5 and your Xbox device.